Hi, this is Ron from ronotodj.com and here we are for another video and pinadaan tayo ng Huawei Philippines ng one of their newest or their upcoming wearable which yung Huawei Watch Fit New. Recently nakaka-review tayo ng mga smart bands ng Huawei and finally we got our first time to review a watch from Huawei. Sa ibang bansa, ito yung Huawei Watch Fit 2021, pero this for the Philippine market they market as new. Definitely there's a lot of improvement compared to sa previous generation, which is all day blood oxygen monitoring, which is SpO2, low battery life, and bigger 1.64-inch AMOLED display. Kung familiar kayo do sa Huawei Band 6, which 1.4-inch AMOLED display, expect nyo na mas malaki yung display na ito. So, nandito yung key specs pa na nasa likod ng package. And, let's unpack this one. At ito na, nabuksan na natin itong Huawei Watch Fit New. Ang nakuha nating model is yung graphite black model. So, makikita nyo, meron na siyang protective film on this one. So, i-flap lang natin to or buksan natin para makita nyo yung itsura. So definitely mas malaki yung with the bigger display, mas malaki yung band niya. Very comfortable on this one. So makita nyo yung sa holder na to, makita nyo yung may Huawei logo. Then nandito sa likod ng watch, focus lang natin. Nandito yung syempre yung heart rate monitor tsaka yung SpO2 reader on this one. Tapos meron tong I think this is a function button on this one. Malapad yung kanyang band, which is pretty reasonable naman kasi we got a bigger display on this one. So kasama pa sa package later natin yung watch kasi may kailangan pa pag pinair natin yon sa device yun siya mag-open. So ito yung user manual and quick start guide, warranty card, tapos pretty neat. Tapos nandito yung kanyang charging cable, which still parang yung sa Huawei Band 6 na pogo base yung kanyang charging style on this one. We have yet to verify kung how many minutes yung charging niya, pero the Huawei Watch Fit New also offers the fast charging on this one. So in no time you get this one device from 0 to 100%. So that's it for another video. First impression ko so far, ang looks pretty quality talaga, premium talaga, but with the bigger display. And ang look forward ko dito is the all-day SpO2 battery kasi compared sa Band 6, natuwa na ako for the all-day heartbeat monitor, pero yung SpO2 mahalaga rin, especially this time na importante yung SpO2 with especially with your activities and for those who are concerned into health like me. So that's it. Currently, as of this date, this on pre-order on Shopee and official Huawei store until October 31 for 4,499. Nalagay ko sa link. Depende po kasi kung ano yung makuha yung freebies sa pre-order items kung bibili ko sa Shopee or sa official Huawei online store. So I think nakita ko based sa dalawa mas maganda yung deals lang sa Huawei official online store. So that's it. We'll post this for another video para yung sa paano natin naka-on yung kanyang naka-on tong device. So please like and share, like and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that subscribe button and also follow our social media accounts at the description below. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.